This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In Assam, the BJP and its ally United People's Party Liberal UPPL have won both the Rajya Sabha seats. BJP candidate Pabitra Margarita and UPPL's Rongre Narzari were elected to the Rajya Sabha. The centre has decided to reduce disturbed areas under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act AFSPA in Nagaland, Assam and Manipur after decades. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said the reduction in areas under the AFSPA is a result of the improved security situation and fast-track development due to the consistent efforts and several agreements to end insurgency and bring lasting peace in the Northeast. The Home Minister congratulated the people of the Northeast on this momentous occasion. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio has welcomed the centre's move to reduce areas under Armed Forces Special Powers Act in the state. The Chief Minister expressed gratitude to the Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Home Minister Amit Shah for reducing disturbed areas under AFSPA in Nagaland, Assam and Manipur. Mr. Rio said this is a significant development towards bringing stability, security and prosperity in the Northeast region. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has welcomed the move of the central government to reduce disturbed areas under AFSPA. 15 police station areas in 6 districts of Manipur have been excluded from the disturbed areas notification. The two-lane Umpling Bridge was inaugurated by Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong in Shillong yesterday. The bridge has been opened for vehicular traffic. The completion of the bridge was crucial to ease vehicular traffic towards New Shillong Township. Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tinsong also inaugurated a two-lane bridge on Wahumkhrah River at Waking in Shillong yesterday. The bridge will ease traffic congestion to a certain extent and will be beneficial to the residents of Maulai, Jayao and Shillong City as a whole. With fuel prices in the state touching the 100 mark, the Meghalaya unit of the Congress yesterday organized a protest in Shillong over the increasing prices of petrol, diesel and LPG cylinders. Vowing to continue with the protest, the Congress leaders displayed placards against price rise. Talking to reporters, the protesting Congress activists said increasing prices of goods and essential commodities is adversely affecting the lower income group. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma inaugurated a rural market complex at Sohiong in East Khasi Hills district yesterday. Mr. Sangma announced that a waste collection vehicle would be put into service for the area and a sports stadium would be constructed at Sohiong. He also informed that an amount of 3 crore rupees has been earmarked for improving the block infrastructure in Sohiong. The Chief Minister also distributed 47,75,000 rupees to 73 producer groups during the event. The Meghalaya Cabinet has decided to start a new fellowship program with the National Law School of India, Bangalore. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma stated that the purpose is to have students who are pursuing graduation and post-graduation in the National Law School of India, Bangalore, to work with the Government of India. It will be called P.A. Sangma Fellowship for Legal and Policy Research Training Collaboration. Stipend will be provided to the individuals to work with the government departments to ensure that proper research is done in policy making. State officials will be sent to the National Law School for training in policy making and other legal matters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will interact with students, teachers and parents all over the world in the 5th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha program at Talkatoora Stadium in New Delhi today. It is an annual event in which the Prime Minister responds to questions related to examination stress by students. During this participatory outreach program, Mr. Modi will interact with the students who will appear in the board examinations. It is an interactive program wherein students, parents and teachers from India and overseas interact with the Prime Minister. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.